Alright guys, it's part 2 of the repairs and maintenance on Case International 1250 grinder mixer. Before anyone asks, I got this skid up here. Actually really don't need it on there anymore, but when I do cob corn, the elevator sometimes would shoot the corn over the hopper on the other side, so I put this on there. It fits up there pretty good, but I don't really need it up there anymore. But so if anyone asks, that's why it's up there. But anyways, I'll give you an overview of what I've done to it. Get my light. The first thing I did here is I replaced that chain. This chain right here. This is the old chain, and for one thing, it was twisted a little bit. Just a little bit, and you can kind of see it doesn't sit quite flat. So, and the main reason why is because I ended up I broke a link in it a while back, and I ended up just sticking a nail through it to hold the chain together until I'd get a new link. But I just decided to replace the whole chain and be done with it, so I went ahead and did that. Underneath here, I put the gearbox cover back up, and I put gear oil in it, and I don't see any leaks or anything, so that's a plus. That's just from when I drained it. So but I can show you what the main problem is, and it's a temporary fix right now. I have to order a new one. But if you look over here, I got the cover back on, but I'll look underneath it for you guys, and let's see if I can get it in the picture here. Yeah, right there. Right, if you can get my finger in here, let's see, right above my finger there, the tip of my finger. You can, let's see if I can, there we go. You can see how that chain has completely wore right through that. It's a big piece of plastic, is what it is. So I just flipped it on the other side and have the chain right on the top now, but I'm going to have to replace that because sooner or later it's just going to get weak and just snap it in half. So, but it'll get me through for right this second until I order a new one, or I might just make one and put on there too. Not a big thing. So yeah, I wore so through that it started rubbing on the bolt on the inside, causing a grinding noise. At least I hope that's what it is. So but we got that taken care of. Got the chain fixed on it. So should be ready to rock and roll, other than I'm gonna grease a few things on it here quick and pick up the tools. And yeah, if anyone of you guys didn't know, it does have a scale on it, but out of my stupidity, I ended up backing and cracking the screen here. So I haven't used it in quite a few years. It does work, I know that, but as far as this here, I don't know. I know I can take it in and have them fix it. I've already talked to them about it, so, but I don't use it. I just go off the chart here on the side, and I usually just fill it anyways and add what I need to add in there. It's the way I've been doing it for a while now, so I guess it's not a big deal, even though it did piss me off a little bit, you know, because they're not cheap unit to buy, but I can get it fixed. So, but it ain't gonna happen now, at least not this second. But so this will be I think the end of this, hopefully. Anyways, I know I got to do a little work on this intake auger. This is where I dump all my minerals and pellets and molasses and all that other stuff. But you can see it's starting to rust through in a few spots there. There's one there, and I think there's one right down there. But just in the back, the inner part's fine, the back part. So I'm gonna have to fix that too here later on. It's not a big issue either, but I guess that's gonna be it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and please comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.